Hey everyone, thank you for joining me on my all-new home yoga practice sessions called On This Mat with Shivani. The first series is called the Body Positivity Series. Welcome and join me on my episode number 3. In this series, you will need the following props: a yoga bolster, yoga bricks, yoga blankets, a cotton yoga belt, rolled yoga mat, the chair. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode. It's a deep relaxation sequence. Additionally to all the props, we would also require a wall. Let's begin the first posture. Coming into Vipreet Karni, if you see, there is a bolster under my hip with my legs up towards the ceiling. You have to simply slide from the side, move up to this wall with the neck padded with this beautiful blanket. You're now ready to stay in the posture for good 2 minutes. If you feel comfortable, you can always move into a good 3 to 4 minute. We begin by relaxing those legs and bringing in some good fresh blood as well. With your arms open on the sides, draw up all the fresh prana. Stay in the position, feel still, and feel connected to that wall. If you feel your knees are bent, then take your own palm and gently push your upper thigh in an awareness towards the wall. Drawing your toes in towards the body, you will feel a sense of length in the back of the leg. It does ease your hamstring a lot and relax your lower back a lot. The stillness in this posture is the beauty. The stillness in the sequence is the beauty. So ranging from 2 to 5 minutes in each of the postures, feel free to see what's working for you today. Moving on to the next posture, let's begin by rolling our shoulders back, opening our knees wide, drawing that bolster closer to us, taking a nice breath and a smooth exhalation. Slowly lengthen onto that bolster, easing your abdomen and your chest on it. It's very important that you push your heels and your hip closer to each other. And in case there's discomfort, you can keep a roll mat under your ankles. Once you've felt a length in your spine, you have to be in the posture for at least 6 to 8 breaths. With each exhalation, melt away into the bolster. You can turn one side of the cheek whenever comfortable. And focus on staying in the posture. Inhale and exhale. And when you're ready, gently walk back out of the posture. The next posture that we move into is the supported bridge. Let me reiterate, all these postures in the sequence are to be followed from 2 to 5 minutes depending on the intensity you would like to have. We are going to have the bolster under the hip with your feet onto the mat and your knees bent. This posture is all about feeling a nice height under the hip. You have to just open your arms out and relax in this posture, easing the lower back completely. It looks very simple, but the focus in this sequence really is stillness, patience, compassion. You can learn all these things by being in a posture for longer. Easier the posture, the more humbler the experience. Stay in it, breathe. Whenever you're ready, let's move on to the next posture. In the next posture, we're going to do a forward fold on a height. Grab onto a chair and sit on a bolster to reach the seat of that chair. Cross your legs. Get a padding for under your forehead by putting it on the seat of the chair. Now gently plant your forehead onto that seat of that chair. With each exhalation, try and relax all your jaw, nose, eyebrow, and other facial muscles as well. You'll feel that sense of relaxation after good 6 to 8 breath cycles. Try and attempt and stay in the posture for a good minute. If you're ready, now make sure you change the cross of your leg. The leg that's outside, move it in. And let's move into the fold again. This relaxation of the forehead onto any prop which is padded will always calm the mind and slow down your thoughts. So work with that. Again, working on the facial muscles relaxing. Stay in this on the other side for a good minute again. If you have to come out of the posture, you have to do that very slowly so you don't get a little head rush there. Gently moving out and moving in to the final posture. This final twist, a beautiful lying down one, will also help you relax completely. Bring your legs on one side and bring the bolster close to the hip. Now slowly find your way onto that bolster and the side of the body resting with one side of the cheek. This beautiful length in the spine and this gentle twist brings a lot of blood into the spine, giving you an instant feel. To intensify this, you can actually turn the neck on the other side as well. Stay in the posture for a good 2 minutes since it is your final relaxation. As you're comfortable and ready to move on, you do make sure that you move on to the other side of this posture, the other side of the hip, and repeat the posture again. Drawing that bolster to the other side, lengthening the body onto the bolster. Turning the neck whenever comfortable. Intensifying it as you're ready. Staying in it for good 2 minutes. Continue to be in the posture. You are most welcome to come out of it whenever you're ready. But for now, I will leave you in this deep relaxation. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. For regular video updates, you could subscribe to my YouTube channel and of course press the bell icon. You could also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook handles. And do remember, this is real yoga for real people.